What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Subaru Ascent remote key fob. This key is going to be for the Subaru Ascents that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR1620. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we take our screwdriver and we grab our key, we take a look down here near the key ring. On the one side, we can see there's this cutout right here, this notch. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, put it in that notch, and then just try to carefully pry the two halves apart like that. And once it's started, you may want to move your screwdriver kind of over to the middle of this and just carefully kind of work your way over. And then once it's far enough apart, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. Once we get that back half off, this inner part's going to come out, and you can just kind of tip this over, and if you need to, push on the buttons a little bit, and that'll pop out like that. Now we need to separate the two halves of this piece. So if we grab our screwdriver and come in here, and you can kind of see there's this space in between the two black plastic pieces. I'm going to get my screwdriver in there and then just kind of twist it like that. You can see it starts to open that up. Go ahead and pull those two halves apart, and then in this half of the case, we see our battery right here. And there's a little cutout in this battery holder that will allow you to get your screwdriver on the edge of the battery. Get under the edge of the battery and get that old battery out. Now we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first that's down here near that metal battery clip. Tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. And then we'll put the two halves of this back together. And because of the shape of it, it can really only go back together one way. So get that snapped back together, make sure your buttons are sitting where they need to be, and then we can put this back in the shell, and again, because of the shape of it, it can only go in there one way. Once that's sitting in there, we'll snap the two halves of the outer case back together, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.